Okay. Now we can start.
Okay. All right. So if you can share your screen and you're already, yeah. So this is the user interface that you're seeing right now. Okay. Um, so, okay. For anybody, right? This is more of like user interface, the front of, you know, the service now. I mean, typical, so you know, you know that front end back end, right? You know the front end back end, isn't it?
As a terminology, yeah, I know what's front end and
Back end.
back end.
Exactly. So if you click on that start building, you can close that Gmail as well if you don't want it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Not
I
to,
have to look. Okay.
yeah.
So I don't know
Yeah.
what happened to the session and where did it go? So
You can
is
just
this
click on start building. Start building. That's fine.
okay?
Yeah. This is more of the user interface. Okay. Although we have something called as portal. The portal is the front end. That is very user friendly, and where users goes to the portal and they raise incidents and all those things. But let's just now focus on the backend, which is this user interface. Okay. Um, Here is where you find lots of things. I don't know if you explored differently. Did you get chance to explore it differently in this case? All these things,
It's
but you
yeah, weeks ago, sometime.
weeks ago. Exactly. Let me explain this clearly, right? So the top line that you're seeing, which is in the black, right? That is the banner. That is the banner page. I hope you knew that.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
not, yeah. Oh, you know that. Okay. That is the banner page.
No, no, but okay. Assume that I don't know anything. Okay, go
No,
with.
sure. Yeah,
I don't
we'll go
want to miss anything.
slowly.
Maybe you know something, and I don't want to miss it. Okay.
Definitely. So that is the banner, right? The banner is that, and all that you see on the left is the application is navigator. That particular part is called application navigator. Basically, what you can do, you can navigate from one application to other application, or you can start with one application. You can click on any application. That's why it's called as application navigator, right? Application navigator that you see various applications, and inside that
Mhm.
you can see different modules. All right. So if you see that, if you see that this application navigator is there and banner is on the top, and what is that in the middle? That is called as content frame. Content frame. All right.
Okay. Middle is the content frame.
Yes, exactly. So middle is content frame. For you to understand, the middle is
Okay.
content frame. Can you please repeat if when just quickly so that you are understanding it?
So here the banner
Yes.
navigation pane. So here we
Yeah.
see the modules and application. Here navigate. Here is frame. What you said? Development. Um, Content.
Application that is content frame. Content frame.
Yeah. Yeah.
Content frame. Okay. That's called as content frame. All right.
This is
So
navigation pane.
correct. So for you to help you, I've just pasted you one snapshot. You can just open that snapshot and um,
Okay, we're in the.
that. Yeah. Right. So it is very clear. It will clearly denote what is that, and we
It's
can
not
go one by
opening.
one.
What's happening?
Yeah, you can take some time. You can just double click on that. Yeah, you download and open it. So you see that? Right.
Mm-hmm.
That is the banner. This is the content frame, right? And I'm going to paste you one more thing as well. One second. And the
By the way, you're gonna send me this as a reading, right? Because it's not on.
oh yeah, I will definitely send you as a reading. There's no
Okay.
problem at all. And in fact,
Mm,
this is available anywhere, but I will send you so that you are understanding it one by one, right? So
okay.
this is the application. So we are understanding it one by one very clearly from the beginning.
Yeah.
Since we are since who are we? We are ServiceNow Patriots. Okay. Call it as ServiceNow Patriots.
Servicenow Patriots?
Oh yeah, we are ServiceNow Patriots. You can name other name. Who are we? You can name your own choice. What's your choice? Are you a ServiceNow
What does
Patriot
that
or are
mean?
you
What does that mean?
that just like that? It doesn't mean anything. It's just like that. I'm just giving some name. Are
Okay.
you a ServiceNow Patriot? Maybe I can put
Uh,
it like I'm a ServiceNow citizen.
okay.
Who are you? You can say like
Okay.
you can say whatever you want to. I'm just throwing it out so that it's more interesting so that
Okay.
we are talking that way. You see this now? It's very clear, right? Where you clicked on all, right? You search for application or modules. What is an application? The one that shows with the arrow, it's an application. Getting my point? If you zoom in, can
Yeah,
you
yeah.
zoom in? I wanted you to zoom in. Zoom. Yeah, you see that the organization is application, which
Okay.
means an application is something that is containing list of modules. Getting my point? So when
Yes.
you click on that arrow, it contains modules, right? And the
Okay.
modules will come down. Modules will come down. I mean, modules will be collapsed or uncollapsed. You know what I mean by that is. So when you click on that, it gets collapsed. When I again click on that, it gets decollapsed, right? When you click on that application, the module will come out. When you again click on that application, on that arrow, when I say that application, the arrow, right? And again, it will decollapse and show only the application. Okay.
Okay. That
So
means an application has a lot of modules. And
exactly,
okay.
exactly, right? And if you see that, right, you understood what is an application, you understood what is a module, right? And there is another thing that's called as category. The category also looks like with an arrow, but that is inside an application. You got my point?
Okay. Category is
So
inside an application.
correct. You saw that? Did you see that?
Yes.
The category, right? It looks like
Yeah.
application, but it is since it's inside an application, it is called as category.
Okay. What's category?
Category is nothing but it is again it is categorizing all the modules into one. An application may have different modules. Okay, an application may have different category which includes a lot of modules. Are you getting my point? It's more of like sorting, right?
Okay.
Sorting
Sorting
again
of the. Yeah, yeah.
different
Sort.
applications. Inside an application, you may have 10 modules, out of which 5 modules you can group it into one. You got my point? Just like
Yes.
grouping
Yes.
it, naming it as one category.
Okay.
Hope that made sense, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Perfect. If you open the other one and the banner, it clearly denotes how it looks like. The banner shows logo. If you open that,
So one
yeah,
minute. 1 minute. Let me go
sure.
to. It's here. Here, right?
It's there, yes.
Where do you want me to go? Here.
No, 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 the chat. The chat. Oh, the chat I pinged you, right? In the
Oh,
banner.
okay. Okay. Sorry. The
Yeah,
chat. Okay.
yeah.
What's another one? Okay.
Above one. Yeah. No, above one. We can discuss on this afterwards. Above one.
Above one. Okay.
Yeah.
No, not this one. Oh,
You
come
don't
on.
close that. You don't close it. Just minimize it. Minimize it. Whenever you open, oh, don't close it. Just minimize it.
It goes to okay. Okay. Here.
There you came now. Yeah. This is the banner. In the banner, what is what? The now that you're seeing is the logo.
Mhm.
right? All the
Yes.
other things are navigation menus,
Mhm.
all favorites, history, workspace or navigation menus. You have content title, right? Content title. And you have
Okay.
search bar. That is called as global search. It's called as global search. Although they did not mention it here, it's called as global search. Okay.
Mhm.
And then you have the help and notifications bar where you can click for help or any notification. And then you have the user menu. If you
Okay.
go to your Windows ServiceNow developer instance, you should be able to see all these things there.
Yes.
Don't close it, just minimize it, minimize it, minimize it. Minimize it. Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. So that you can open another thing if required. If you open the developer instance, you should be able to see that.
So
See?
yeah,
So you can see everything.
that's the logo, navigation. That's the title, content title, search bar, user menu, help.
Help and notifications. Help and
Help is
notifications.
here.
That's
Show
help
help.
and notifications. Help notifications, chat. If you navigate there itself, it will tell you chat. It's a chat is nearby. And then you have sidebar discussions and application scope and all is there.
So here, what we do. So you can search for everything. You can find it.
You can find everything here. You can find everything here. So welcome to the world of ServiceNow. In this product documentation, you can find everything here. The point is that you can find everything here. Okay. You can learn everything from here also. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But somewhere like see, whatever that I pasted you is also from ServiceNow world. Okay. It's also from ServiceNow world only. Right. I did not create anything. But you have to be informed about some with you have to learn with somebody so that you understand it very clearly. You got my point, right?
Yeah, yeah, I know, I know. Someone has to walk you in gently till you get a good hands-on
Yeah,
on it.
exactly. So whatever that I
Show me how
pasted
to
is also
drive by my own. That's it.
that's it. So um so the banner is there and the banner has all this information. Maybe you can say you can think like, oh, it's just a banner, right? What's the big thing about it? Okay. You're a business analyst, right?
Yes.
Various customers do a lot of customization to this banner itself.
Okay.
They, I will tell you what, they don't want this ServiceNow logo at all. They wanted their own company logo. Okay,
Okay.
that is one of the requirement. They don't wanted this all in this font. They wanted everything in a different font. They don't wanted this color in the banner. They wanted their own color. So, what is the color of the brand, whichever brand, right? Like let's say BMW. It's a color of
Yeah,
black and white.
BMW is blue and silver and black.
Blue and silver and black. They wanted that color in the complete banner page. Why? Because it's their own product. They think that that service now is their own product, and they don't wanted to show this color to the customers, the users. Okay, just simple banner. Look at how many changes, how many requirements that are coming in. Logo change, font change, color change, and the name ServiceNow is also changed to BMW. You're getting my point?
Yeah, it could
So
be like BMW instead of service now.
exactly, Mercedes,
Yeah.
BMW, and in fact, That also, if you go, since we are a business analyst, we know that, right? Since
Yeah.
for different business units, for HR, BMW-HR, BMW-IT, BMW-finance, they may ask different colors for different business units. Got my point, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
depending on which users login, it will display that way. Okay. So we just understood what the banner banner and what is the logo and what is the navigation and how it looks like. All right. So from this, you can basically fairly able to understand, right? Can you open another thing, another photo, another whatever it is, the one that I pasted? Yeah,
Screenshot.
screenshot.
Okay, I did.
Yeah,
This
here
is the
you
one.
see, this is what I said. Just nothing. You have to just pin, click on the pin button so that it just stays in your screen. Otherwise, it goes back to its original position. So you have to pin it. Can you open the other one for that you can see the content frame?
You send me this one.
Content frame above. Not. Yeah, above. Up.
This one.
Yeah, yeah, white color. Yeah, the white screen. Yeah, just go above. It'll show you the download button. Yeah,
No,
not that. The previous one. Yeah.
this one.
Yes. Oh, why is it happening like that? Can you click again the download button? I think it's not downloading properly. Yeah.
This one.
Yes. This is very clear. You see the banner. You see the content frame. Whenever you don't wanted that sidebar, I'm sorry, the application navigator, you can again click that so that you can see the whole screen, only the content frame.
Okay.
Okay. Right? Because preferences, some customer wanted, they don't wanted to see that application navigator. They only wanted to see the content frame. Okay. This is the content frame. Okay. The content frame, you can see clearly what is a content frame. Anything that is not banner, anything that is not application navigator, it's totally the content frame. Can you just quickly explain me all, if it's okay, if you're able to understand it?
So yeah, for now, what we did, okay, we walked through the objects of the application. So we see what we have here as a banner. We have navigation pane. We have content frame,
Mm-hmm.
and here we have navigation menu.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, or we have here content title, search bar,
Mm-hmm.
user menu. We have help and notification.
Mm-hmm.
Then we go here, we find that there is in this navigation bar, we can pin it and pin it, so it can be docking or not docking. Plus,
Mm-hmm.
we can see here, we can see application and we can see modules. Application is collections of modules, and
Mm-hmm.
within application we can see also see category, which means category is how we sort out the modules. That's what we can say here.
Mm-hmm.
And for also, as we say, this is like out of box thing, but
Mm-hmm.
each company can customize this. It can customize the interface,
Mm-hmm.
also the navigation behavior. So sometimes they may hide some object that they don't want to see them. They can
Mm-hmm.
also this interface customization could impact the theme, the color, also the titles and logos and all that stuff can also be customized. That's what I can say. Okay, is
Perfect.
that what we talk
So
about?
yeah, perfect. You summarized very well. So which is the, if you can see on the left side, which is the application, which is a module? Can you please point it out?
Here.
Yeah. Which one is an application and which one is a module?
Okay, I'll tell you which one is okay. Can I go, for example, to okay, search application? Okay, I go to benchmark.
Hmm.
I don't know here. That one could be a modules here, but not application.
No, that is
Uh,
application.
huh?
Anything application is a bundle of modules. The availability is application. If you click on that arrow, everything comes inside is module.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, that is up. All these are modules. All
Okay.
modules collectively are there in the inside the application. The availability is the
Okay.
application, right? Availability application has different modules. What are those modules? If you click on that, you will see that.
Okay.
So we have these many applications that is available for you in developer instance for you to go through, for you to work it out, for you to understand, and for you to learn, right? So
Okay. How many
all these are,
applications do they have in total?
you cannot count them. Why? Because when I started, I only saw incident problem change and something like that. But now, as they come with lots and lots of new release, they have lots and lots of new thing to add. Okay, so you you okay, if current release, what, how many application? If you ask, um, I may need to check and tell you, but yeah. So like over 300 applications and more than that, whatever you're seeing, okay, that's just the application, right? If you want extra application, additional application which is not installed, you can definitely install it in play in the store. Okay, ServiceNow store,
Okay.
app store. They call it as app store. I think it should be there in the app store.
And that one is purchased, okay? It's like based on some licensing, right?
Yes, it can be licensed, and some are available free also. But it depends on if you want it or not. I mean, in the system applications, you'll be able to see that. System applications, you'll be able to see all those things. System applications. But
So we'll navigate sometimes to in the ServiceNow store also to know how it works.
oh yeah, ServiceNow store is a paid version. Okay, so
Okay.
you're right. ServiceNow store should be paid. It should license needs to be accrued or
We
acquired.
cannot do anything. We cannot at least know how to go there. Is that possible
Yeah,
to?
yeah, yeah. It is. It requires a proper ServiceNow store requires additional authentication, right? That may be given by if someone is working in the client, like in operations. If they wanted to, it's you don't want it to go to you don't want it really to go to ServiceNow, but rather can you search for store store store?
Here
If
in
you-
search.
No, in the application navigator. In fact, you can search there as well. The application
Yeah,
navigator.
that's what I'm saying in application navigator, right? Oh no, we're here. Store.
Yeah, yeah.
You say
If you click,
storage, but
yeah, if you come down, you can see store applications. Sorry, system
store.
applications. System applications. Come down.
This one.
System. Yes. You can click on the available to obtain from store.
Okay.
The module. Yeah, that module. So here is where you will get all the system
It takes
applications.
time to come.
Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. It'll take some time.
That's new thing.
So these are store applications. That's um, that's there in system applications. You got a lot of 871 results you have. If you got lots of things. You can type HR, you can type PPM, you can type CSM, customer service management, all those things you can type. There are lots of yeah, store system applications.
Okay, I put CSM. I didn't give me anything.
Can you type customer? Come down. I think okay. I think this is connecting to store applications. Okay. Hmm. A lot of changes that has happened. Okay. This is this is changed. Okay. What I mean by that is under system applications, you usually get I what I think is that you already should have all the PPM and other applications. Let's just see that. Human resource. Yeah, I think you should already have the service portfolio management. You already have. You already have those access. It's all given. It's all open and it's all there available. So you don't want it to. Okay, I think they have changed the way how it looks. Okay, great.
What happened? Tell me, like, how can I use this? Okay, just say
One minute, one minute, one minute. Just go to the application navigator. Okay,
here.
just just search for system applications. Click on all.
Here, where is it? Here.
All. Come down, come down. You see that all. You see all?
Yeah, here.
Yes, click on that. Here you have everything. Okay. Here, if you search for customer service management, you will have customer service management, field service management. Okay.
Yeah. One minute. Customer. I clicked on customer.
Come down. Yeah. You see the customer service management.
Where is it?
Come down, come down. The last.
This one?
Come down, come down, come down. The last.
Oh, customer service manager. Okay, what does this means? Plugin ID, blah blah.
Right.
What does that mean?
That is the plugins. Okay. Basically, you can go through via system, right? Applications, or you can also go through plugins, system definitions. You can also, if you want to go directly, see, I'm just trying to show you what are the various applications you can select separately, or if you want plugins, you can directly search for plugins. Can you search for plugins in the left in the application navigator? Search
I
for,
want to. Okay.
yeah, you can search for plugins. Basically, plugins. Click on plugins. You can go this way and also search for the plugins. Yeah, it'll
Okay,
come.
I
Yeah.
clicked. So what should I do?
Yeah,
It didn't give me anything.
yeah, give some time. Give it some time. I think it's taking some time. It's taking some time. Yeah.
What plugins stand for? What the difference between them and how do they work here?
So system applications are applications that are separately installed. Okay, you got my point. That are separately installed. Okay, but plugins are like a bundle. Got my point? It's bundled. You will have different bundled plugins. You install the bundle, and that will once installed, that will install all the applications, all the modules at once. Specific to customer service management, it will install specific to customer service management.
Uh,
You got my point?
I have need to understand it. Honestly, it's difficult to understand.
No problem. Let's go. It's too fast that we are going here. Okay, we'll go one by one.
Yeah.
Is it okay? We'll go one by one,
Oh,
right?
yeah, yeah. That's fine. Just Maybe I
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
want to miss anything. That's why I'm so curious.
Exactly. If you click on that logo, the photo that you have, we can start from there now. The photo that you have, not the logo, the icon, the user menu,
This,
user menu,
this guy.
that guy. Yeah. So you are a system administrator. If you just click on that logo, that particular
Okay.
user menu, if you click on that user menu,
Okay.
no, no,
Here.
the
You're talking.
the photo of the guy, that guy
Okay. I
photo.
click on it.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah.
What do you see? Right? Just like our iPhone or settings, you see different items, right? You have
Yes.
profile, you have preferences, you have keyboard shortcuts, impersonate. Let's try to you clicked on profile, right? Let's try to click preferences. Preferences. You
Those
have
also
all,
can be customized, right?
yeah, you can customize it. Okay. You can select, um, you know, whatever. You can select notification. How do you want the notifications? You can click on the notifications. You can click on accessibility. You can click on, system allow notifications. If you want notifications, you can allow. You can scroll down, and you can accessibility means for the accessible, for the challenged people, right? Disabled people, then they can use that. And you can change your language here. Coming here, and you can change your language. Click on language. You can change to your Morocco, any whatever your national language. The language, you can see how your service now looks after changing the language. There's good amount of language.
From where I can change language here.
Yeah, left side. See that last option, left, left menu. In the left menu, you see language. You clicked
Language.
access. Yeah, there you go. Right. You can change the time zone to Morocco, and you can see your own language.
Okay.
Right. Just try it and see how it looks like, so that you will have a comfortable view.
Hold on. See. No, there is nothing.
Okay. Arabic is what you're trying to say.
Hmm?
That's fine. We can install different languages. I will tell you. I'll tell you how we can install different languages. You don't want to worry.
Okay.
I will tell you how you can change your language, and you can install different language. All that maximum, right? Not everything you will be seeing it in Arabic, but at least 70% you can see it in Arabic,
Okay.
right? You can see that in Arabic, and you'll be more comfortable to see, and then we can go through that. We can go through that language, so that
Okay.
that's how it's so this tool is so helpful, and it's so comfortable to work with, and so friendly. Okay. And the content frame, right? um the content frame, if you see content frame, it will show, it will display different things when you click on different items. Okay. It can show a list, you can show a form, it can show a dashboard, it can show service catalog, it can show service cap portal and knowledge base. Okay. What you're seeing here is a form. Will you agree with me?
Yes.
In the content frame, you're seeing a form. Okay. If you click on that left arrow button, left arrow button, yeah. Now you're seeing kind of portal, so kind of portal or service catalog. You're seeing service catalog. These all like service catalog. You can scroll down. It's more of a service catalog. Okay.
Okay.
Now in the content frame, you can also see a list. How you can see a list is if you search for incident in the application navigator, just search for incident.
Here.
Yeah. If you click on all, which is bottom, all the way down,
Here.
or yeah, this is a list. You're seeing a list. So the content frame displays how you navigate, what you choose, depending on what module you choose or what navigation menu you choose. This page in content frame is will deliver the data in many different ways. The most base no most basic page types are list and form, right? This is a list. Click on any incident, you'll open a form. If you click on any incident, you'll open a form. You're getting my point, right?
Yes.
Right? The content
This
page
is a
can
form.
show. Yeah, mostly people will use list and form because because they wanted to check what are there in the list, and once they click on that items in the list, they want to check what are their details there in the form. Mostly that's what they will check, right? There are a lot of other things like service catalog, knowledge base, service portal, dashboard, all those things. Okay, but what you click is what appropriately showing in the content form. So content form is what is something that gives you maximum details that you wanted out of that application or module or anything for that matter. You're clear on that?
So here, like a form, and every form we can see. Okay, upon clicking a list item,
Yes,
okay, we open a form,
exactly.
and in a form, what should we see? Fields.
Yes, exactly. All these forms are fields. In this,
Okay.
all these are different fields. And all every field has, right? Every field has, right? Different field options. Different field options, right? That particular field type is the field type could be a string field. The field type could be a text box field. You got my point, right? That's
Yeah,
generally
yeah, yeah. Yeah.
how
Different
we will
field
different field
types.
type. Correct, right? It could be a choice field. It could be a radio button choice field. It could be a search bar,
Drop down
drop
menu
down.
could be
Exactly, drop down menu. It could be a
boolean,
description.
yes, no.
Yes, yes, no menu. Exactly, you got the point, right? So various fields have different field types, right? This form contains collection of different field and field types, and that field will have a name, and that field type is associated with that particular field. Hope you're able to get my point,
Okay.
right? You're able to get my point, right? So, okay, today's activity, okay, I will tell you. Um, go,
It's an assignment.
yeah, yeah, assignment. Scroll up, small assignment. Yeah, click on any incident. So don't worry. This developer instance is for us to train
To play
ourselves,
around
do
in it.
whatever. Yeah, click on anything. Yeah, do anything. Let's it's this developer instance for us to do our homework. That's it. You can do whatever you want to do. Okay. If you scroll up, right? Um, yeah. In the short description, you see a star. Okay, near to the short
Short
description.
description. Where is it? Here.
Yeah. So near the short description, you're seeing a star. Okay. Why? Because it is a mandatory field. You get my point?
Yes,
The
yes.
star denotes a mandatory field. Okay. Same goes to color as well. It's a mandatory field. Okay. You can change this short description since you have got the administration rights. You can do whatever you want to do in this form and field and anything in this service now. Okay. You're a developer or
Yes.
as per the user menu, you're administrator. Okay. So you can change the short description from mandatory to not have it mandatory.
Yes.
You can do that. That is your assignment today. I'll teach you how to do it. Right click on short description. Just 1 minute. 1 minute, please.
I did right click on it.
1 second. I'm just. Uh, wait for some time. It will take some time. Just right click on it. Yeah,
Even
right
when
click
I
on
have
short.
this
No, no, not the
stuff.
field, not the field, not the field. Right click on the name short description. The name you see short description,
Oh, okay, okay, yeah, yeah. Configure.
configure. Okay. You can click on configure dictionary.
Dictionary. Why is dictionary?
Yeah. Let's go. Let's see what's yours. That's what I'm saying you. It's an assignment. Perfect. Okay. Wait a minute.
Okay.
1 minute, please. So, okay. You are one second. You did configure dictionary, right? Yeah. Not style. Okay. What all things that you're seeing here? Okay. Don't get confused. It's all saying which table it is, which okay, all these forms, all these fields are associated to a table or to anything that is specific, right? That is specific to all these forms, all these fields, all these entries are all saved in a table. Okay, do you understand that?
Are what? Are same?
No, I'm not saying same. All these form fields and all these are coming from a table.
Okay.
Okay, we got lots of tables in ServiceNow. ServiceNow's important thing to notice, it is all coming from a table. Okay,
So we say everything in service now is coming from a table.
that's exactly correct. Everything in ServiceNow is coming from a table. You got the point? It's
Yes.
rendered by table from ServiceNow's table. ServiceNow has table where it has rows and columns. Okay. Okay. Now, so you can change the short description, the name of the short description. You can change that label. Whatever you wanted to put, please delete and put it. Your own choice.
I would say
Have you ever tried these things before?
nah, not summary.
Yeah,
Summary and description.
correct. Okay. So now you are the administrator. When they say maximum length, okay, the character, the short description is 160. Okay, right? It's your choice. Remember this 160. Tomorrow, yeah, if you have to put everything in the right place again, okay? You are now updating it, that's fine. But next time you need to again remember this and come and update to 160. Okay. We're just trying things and we are again putting back to the same original position. Got my point?
Yeah, okay.
Right. In that sense, you have now changed to 200 and summary and description. Just um, on top, update it. Just update it.
Can I? Okay.
Yeah, you can go back. Yeah.
Yeah.
When I say go back, you see that. Do you see that? The summary and description is changed. Okay.
Hmm.
You who did that? You did it. This is the power of administrating the tool. You just
But is there?
whatever.
It gives you like an editable field, not editable field, and it's only
Yes,
read only field.
yes. It's a when you click on read only, it is becomes read only as well. Okay. When you click on editable field, it can become editable field.
Okay. So if I want to make it not mandatory, so still I can go here to dictionary. Always there's a dictionary, right?
That's right.
Okay. I go to dictionary and make my own. Okay. I put this back
Yeah.
description and info. Okay. So how can I make it not mandatory? Should I, is there any way how to make and remove this mandatory character of it?
You, for now, let's not do it not mandatory. There are some
Hmm.
reasons to it because this short description field, right? It is
Yeah.
shared across various other like incident, problem, change, and
Okay,
task.
okay, I got it. I got it.
If we do anything here, it will get collapsed there. That's fine. We can do a not mandatory also. That's fine. But for now, let's just do whatever that we can do. I mean, we can do whatever we want
Okay,
to do.
okay,
See,
okay. We go
as an
slowly.
admin,
We go slowly.
yeah. As an admin, you can do everything. You can basically put your favorite cartoon character in that form. Trust me. Okay.
You put
You
put
can you
what
can you
your favorite what?
no, go back to that form. I'll tell you.
Okay, click
You know
update.
what yeah, you know what I did in this, yeah, if you go back. Yeah,
Okay.
in this form, right? You know what I did? I
Yes.
basically made this form like a plain white paper. I removed
Okay.
everything. That I did
Oh,
all, I removed everything. It's like a plain white paper. I I made
okay.
that I made that in this form so that it looks like a plain white paper.
Okay.
So which means like from there we can start, right? We can start and we can do it ourselves, do all those things, right?
Okay.
So this is how you learn, right? This is how you learn. You learn from scratch. You learn from nothing to um, everything, right? So that's the possibility. So tomorrow's your activity or your assignment is that choose two items which is not mandatory and make it to mandatory.
Two items
And
that non.
whichever you are seeing not mandatory, let's say impact, urgency, or service offering or assigned it.
From a form, and make
Yeah,
them.
from from this form.
Okay. Not mandatory
Make something which is not mandatory to
and
mandatory.
make it mandatory.
Correct.
Okay.
Right. And make one field which is not read only to read only. Let's say the description is now it's not read only, it's editable, right?
Yeah.
Make that to read only
Okay.
and note
Okay.
what change, yeah, note what changes you're doing, and tomorrow we can go through that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
perfect. Have a nice day, and we'll
See you
meet tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Yeah, see you
Okay.
tomorrow. Bye.